Solve the equation using the quadratic formula. 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. Recall that the quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a, where the equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In this case, we have a equals 2, b equals negative 3, and c equals negative 1. And so x is equal to negative of negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 1, all divided by 2 times 2. Simplifying, we have x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 8, all divided by 4. Simplifying further, we have x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 17, all divided by 4. So the solution set of the given equation is the set containing 3 minus the square root of 17 all over 4, and 3 plus the square root of 17 all over 4.